First make game. And somebody forgot something. First make game against Barcelona. Make girls are playing right now. Our game starts in 45 minutes. We're in a little town. Every town has a stadium, like a little stadium, but it's all AstroTurf. It's awesome. See? This one has a farm. Not a farm. I keep calling it farms. They're gardens all over the place.